Hey Emma.
Hi.
Are you ready to try our new Colour Protect family?
I am. I'm very excited.
Awesome. So we have a family of 3 products: shampoo, conditioner and leave-in treatment for anyone with colour treated hair, and it helps to keep vibrancy, lock in colour and maintain the health and shine in the hair. So first up we have Atonement, which is our Colour Protect shampoo. Have a smell. It smells delicious.
Very nice.
So it's packed with gentle cleansers that clean without stripping your colour, which is really, really important. It lathers beautifully. I really like to do 2 shampoos, just so you get the true benefits of that second shampoo. The hair feels really clean and it helps extend between washes. So ingredients wise, it's got hydrolyzed quinoa and aloe leaf juice, which help to hydrate and strengthen, reduce porosity, whilst keeping the hair feeling soft and nourished. So after rinsing, we'll squeeze out the excess water and go straight into Atonement Colour Protect Conditioner. This conditioner is super rich and nourishing without being heavy, so it's perfect for all hair types. So simply apply from the mid-lengths to ends. The conditioner contains hydrolyzed quinoa, jojoba and sunflower seed oil, which hydrate, strengthen and seal the cuticle. These key actives are great antioxidant properties, which mean they protect the colour from environmental factors, stresses like pollution and the sun. By sealing the cuticle with these really nourishing ingredients, we're helping to lock in the pigment to help improve colour longevity. Leave this on the hair for 2 minutes and then rinse. You'll feel that the slip and the softness in the hair is beautiful.